Scott here. I'm at a listing located at 806 Wassom Street right here in Lebanon, Oregon. This is a great little property. If you're looking for something that's move-in ready in a wonderful neighborhood, very little traffic, room for kids to play out front, this is the one. If you're serious about shopping, you'll want to jump on this. Let's go take a look. As you enter, my favorite spot in the home is this open floor plan layout. You've got vaulted ceilings, natural light. This is a very comfortable setting. Nice gas fireplace, big TV. This is where you entertain or chill with family and friends. The kitchen is truly the heart of the home, with ample counter space, plenty of cabinet storage, and also you're connected with the living room, dining room. You're not missing a thing while you're in here. Whether you're meal prepping or eating snacks like I like to do, you're not missing anything. As we go down the hallway, you can see we've got the primary with primary bath as well. Coming here, we've got the laundry room, pantry combo. Then you've got bathroom number 2, bedroom number 2, working our way right towards the front of the house, towards bedroom number 3. As we enter the back of the house, coming out on the patio area that's got a nice large cover, whether you're barbecuing during the winter and not wanting to get wet, or a little bit of shade during the summer months. Either way, you've also got extra space for the dogs to run around, playing with the kids, and a large garden area in the back corner. Great little setup. If you've been looking for something affordable, move-in ready in a solid Lebanon location, 806 Wassom Street checks all the boxes. If you'd like to schedule a private tour with us or thinking about buying or selling, get a hold of us. We'd love to show you around.